Viewers, let me show you a simple remedy for catarrh or cold and cough. You see, if you are suffering from catarrh or cold and cough, most times we rush to the pharmacy or over-the-counter drug sellers to get some medications. But you see, let me show you natural remedy that you can do, and it's very authentic. It works accurately. Now what you do is that you see this mango tree, mango leaf. So make sure you get the fresh one. Look for the fresh one, and get like 5 or 7 of the leaf. Then when you get it, wash it thoroughly. Then look for clove, and then negro pepper, and then maybe ginger. If preferable, if you want ginger, you can add it. But if you are able to get the mango leaf, like 5 or 10, and then you get the negro pepper, which some people call a cho, you take like 5 or 10 of it. Then you get cloves. Some people call it Catarrh in some part of Ghana. You get also 5 or 10. Then if you like, you can add ginger, a small piece of ginger. And then if you also like, you can add cinnamon. Then you boil all this together, make a tea of it. So you add about 200 to 300 ml of water. Then you make a tea of it. You take 50 or 100 ml in the morning, and then 50 or 100 ml in the evening. If you are able to do this for 3 days, the cough and the catarrh will vanish. Even when you are able to do it the first day or the first attempt, the first dose that you take, when you are able to do that, you realize that it will bring a drastic change. Now, if you are able to do this for 3 days, that cold, that catarrh will go. So use this natural remedy. The mango leaves has the property of just like the mango we take. And then the other thing that I mentioned are things we use in our kitchen on daily basis, and they are very good when it comes to